Yeah, hi, this is my new room, and I've got a new screensaver as well. So yeah, the room is white now. It no longer has fish all over it. That was a good 2 days work, but yeah, I hope you guys are doing alright in this weird part of human history that we find ourselves in. So this is just a quick video to say that my exams are now done. They're open note, which was a saving grace. I had no idea how I was going to be able to do them not open note at all, really, to be honest. But they're done, and that's good. So there's going to be some more stuff coming on this channel, which will be awesome, because I much prefer doing YouTube related stuff than I do revising for exams. So there's going to be some more piano videos coming up to this channel. There's a few new songs that's coming along. There's also going to be a vlog, and now that we're allowed outside a little bit more, I'm going to try and do some more vlogs of stuff of where I get out and about and what I get up to. There's probably going to be another Exeter vlog now that I can go to Exeter again, so look out for that. And also there's going to be some physics tutorial videos. They're going to be uploaded on a separate channel. I've decided to keep them separate from my other stuff. I'm going to be doing several online courses in physics. Obviously with the whole coronavirus thing, there's going to be more like online learning, so I thought I'd help out with that by creating some YouTube tutorials on all the various things that I've learned throughout my undergraduate degree. And I've already got some thermal videos, you guys may have seen them already. They're on this channel, but any future videos are going to be on my other channel. So if you know anyone who's an undergraduate physicist or an A-level physicist, because there's going to be some A-level videos up on there as well, then send them a link to that, and that would be very much appreciated. So yeah, take care guys.